The Qur'an is special. The Qur'an is special. The more you recite Qur'an, the more Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you. The Prophet ﷺ said, this Qur'an will come on the day of judgment, shafi'an li ashabihi, interceding for its reciters. Special surahs in the Qur'an, interceding for those believers that love that surah. For example, the Prophet said, Surah Al-Mulk will intercede for its companions, meaning those who love this surah, Surah Al-Mulk. Tabarakalladhi biyadihi al-mulk. Those who love it, those who memorize it, those who are reciting it often. Then it will intercede for those, its companions on the day of judgment. Different surahs. The Prophet ﷺ says that the believers, you'll be told, when you enter Jannah, you'll be told, recite this Qur'an as you are reciting it in the dunya, and ascend the stairs of Jannah. Go higher and higher in Jannah. And you only stop when you stop reciting the Qur'an. So the more you recite the Qur'an in the dunya, the more you're ascending the heights of Jannah, going higher levels of Jannah.